If you're looking for the best eyeshadows for brown eyes, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preferences, sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have COVERGIRL Trunaked Eyeshadow Palette. The Roses palette by COVERGIRL contains 8 gorgeous colors. Once applied to the eyelids, they create a shimmery matte look. What's great about this palette is that it has both light and dark shades, which allows you to create daytime and nighttime looks. Soft pinks and purples make brown eyes pop no matter your hair color. The same can also be said about neutrals like white, beige, and brown. This palette doesn't contain extra flashy colors, so it won't clash with colorful eyewear. Plus, it's soft on the skin, making it perfect for people who have eye sensitivities. COVERGIRL's Roses palette is nicely pigmented and spreads like butter. However, it doesn't have the best hold power. If you want your makeup to last you all day long, we recommended applying an eye primer onto your eyelids before applying this eyeshadow. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Coppery Blaze Eyeshadow Palette by Almay. The Coppery Blaze Eyeshadow Palette by Almay contains 3 different colors that can be used together or independently. When used together, these colors combine to create a subtle smoky eye look. We love how Almay takes things a step further by labeling the colors and showing its users where to apply them on their eyelids. It makes creating a smoky eye a whole lot easier. The Coppery Blaze Eyeshadow Palette contains earthy shades of beige, brown, and green. These colors are perfect for brown eye makeup lovers no matter their shade of brown. It looks especially fantastic on people with brown eyes and red hair. However, if you have very light brown or hazel eyes, we recommend checking out Almay's Smoldering Embers Eyeshadow Palette, too. The number 3 position is held by Earl Grey Eyeshadow by Revlon. Brown eyes and gray eyeshadows were born to be together. But there are few gray eyeshadows that demand attention like Revlon's Earl Grey. This creamy eyeshadow is borderline metallic. It'll make eyes pop whether you use it as a primary color or as a means to tie a smoky eye look together. What we love about this eyeshadow is how it doesn't highlight eye wrinkles like most cream eyeshadows do. The more you blend it, the more it will hide wrinkles, which is why it is beloved by mature women. It's highly pigmented and blends with ease, especially when you use your fingers instead of the provided brush. Next at number 4 we have Revlon's Seductive Colorstay Eyeshadow Palette. Purple eyeshadows look amazing on people with brown eyes. In fact, the darker your eyes are, the better the outcome will be. Revlon products are cruelty-free and super affordable. These colors come in a velvet finish. They are very powdery and will not cause your makeup to crease. Purple eyeshadows may clash with colorful eyewear like red glasses. So, consider this before siding with the Seductive Revlon palette. The good news is, however, that this eyeshadow is super long-lasting. So, if you have a demanding job that gives you little time to yourself throughout the day, you can bank on the Colorstay eyeshadow palette to last for up to 16 hours. The number 5 position is held by Enhanced Earth Liquid Eyeshadow by Stila. When it comes to liquid eyeshadows, Stila is where it's at. Although many of Stila's shades complement brown eyes, there is one that stands out, Enhanced Earth. This highly pigmented eyeshadow is very easy to apply thanks to its brush, which resembles the one of a tube of lip gloss. It dries very quickly for a liquid eyeshadow and offers a punch of color that brings out the softness brown eyes are known for. It'll work with your skin beautifully, no matter your skin tone. If you're looking for an eyeshadow that doesn't contain any sparkle or glitter, Enhanced Earth is for you. It dries in a matte finish and will last you all day long. The number 6 position is dominated by Julep Champagne Shimmer Eyeshadow Stick. When you're a new mom, you quickly find out that applying a full face of makeup is a thing of the past. Depending on your schedule, you may have to apply makeup with one hand while balancing your baby in the other. Or you may have to apply makeup in your car before going to work. Julep's eyeshadow sticks make it easy to apply eyeshadow in a matter of seconds, and with just one hand, too. Julep has created tons of gorgeous shades, but when it comes to brown eyes, there's one color that takes the cake: Champagne Shimmer. No matter your shade of brown or skin tone, this gorgeous shade will add a pop of natural shimmer to your eyelids. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Rimmel Magnif'eyes Eyeshadow Palette. The Electric Violet Eyeshadow Palette by Rimmel was created for people with brown eyes who enjoy having options. This palette has a total of 12 colors. Some come in a matte finish, while others come in a shimmer finish, perfect for those who like to experiment with makeup. Neutrals, pinks, and purples look gorgeous on brown eyes. But what this palette has that the other palettes on our list do not have is the color teal. Teal is a great eyeshadow color for people with brown eyes, especially if you have tan or dark skin. The number 8 position is held by Smoke Eyeshadow by Bobbi Brown. If you want to make your brown eyes pop, a smoky eye is the way to go. Bobbi Brown eyeshadows are known for their supreme pigments. Applying them to your eyelids is easy because they spread like butter. The Smoke Eyeshadow offers a gorgeous gray brown hue that sets in a matte finish. You don't need to add an eyeshadow primer to your eyelids before applying Bobbi Brown Smoke. This is because it is so pigmented that it will stay put all day long. If you work long hours and don't have the time to reapply your makeup, this eyeshadow will keep its vibrancy throughout the day. The Smoke Eyeshadow can also be used to line your eyebrows. So, if you have brown eyebrows, you can use this eyeshadow in more ways than one. Next at number 9 we have Urban Decay Space Cowboy Eyeshadow. If there's one eyeshadow color that brings out the warmth and depth of brown eyes, it's gold. Although a little pricey for a single shade of eyeshadow, Urban Decay Space Cowboy Eyeshadow can match with every outfit and skin tone. It can also double as a highlighter so you can get the most bang for your buck. If you're looking for a gorgeous medium gold eyeshadow that has a strong glitter finish, this is the eyeshadow for you. Although you will experience some glitter fallout, Space Cowboy Eyeshadow is long-lasting and can see through a full day of work. Unlike some low-quality pressed eyeshadows, which can be hard to blend, the Space Cowboy Eyeshadow has a very soft and creamy texture. It's easy to apply, especially if you use a tapered eyeshadow brush, as this helps with precision. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Giselle Cosmetics Mineral Makeup Eyeshadow. Loose powder eyeshadows are known for their strong pigments and versatility. But Giselle Cosmetics kick things up a notch by creating a stackable loose powder palette that contains 8 gorgeous colors. The Brown Eyed Girl eyeshadow palette contains a wide variety of colors, perfect for those of you who enjoy bold, beautiful, and colorful makeup looks. We love how you can use the lighter shades to create a subtle and natural look, or the darker shades to create a sultry evening look. It's also pretty cool that these loose powder eyeshadows can also be used as highlighters, lip stains, nail polishes, and blushes. Loose powders can't be stored in traditional palettes, which is why Giselle Cosmetics created a stackable jar design. But despite its cleverness and ease of transport, opening the jars can be quite messy. To make these eyeshadows last for as long as possible, you need to exercise caution when opening the jars. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notifications.